In this video, I will show you how to add text highlight animation in CapCut. So after you open the CapCut like this, import your text that you want to highlight. So for me, I want to highlight name of a person called Hakim in this article. So all I have to do now, I will just go to scale and scale the article like this. After you scale the article like this, so now I'll just go ahead now and find the first name. So I'll start by first finding his name. So here is the first name, Hakim. I'll scale it again like this. So here is the name Hakim. So all you have to do now, go to text. So now drag your text like this, change the position. So select the text, go to this section and delete all the text. Now click tap space like 3 times on your keyboard, and then scroll to down and change the background. Select this one, background. I'll select yellow background. After you select your background, then go to up. Before you go to up, scroll to down, just go to up. So this option, uniform scale, turn it off. So here it will allow you now to, as you can see now, to resize the text background like this to fit the exactly the name that you want to highlight. Then scroll to down and change the opacity to see only the name. So now I can be able to see the name like this. So I'll just resize it like this. I'll take it down. So the next thing to do, all you have to do now, go ahead now and go find all the names. So I'll take this one to 3 pits. I'll take my play stick to this side and split. So now I'll just go and click this one. I'll find another name. Scroll to down. Hakim, here is it now. Here's so I'll take my play stick to the side. I'll split again. So I'll just click on this one, the last one, and find another name. So I'll just go ahead and find another name in the article. I'll scroll to down. So here is another name, Hakim. Then scroll to down again. So I will split it in this side. So I'll just go ahead and find another name of the person, Hakim. So here is it now. So after you finish all highlighting all the names manually, then go and click on the text and go back to text, basic, scroll to down. Now make the opacity to 100%. Scroll to down, opacity, make it 100%. So now right click on the text, create compound clip. So after you create compound clip, click on the text, go to video, scroll to down under this blend. So click on this blend mode, go and click on this multiply. So now as you can see now, it highlights only the names. If I play, as you can see now. So the last thing, go to this effects, go and add this, as you can see now, vignette image, vignette. So go to this Halloween and add this vignette effect and change the position. So I'll change the position. I'll add it again like this, vignette effect like this. So this will give you a focus to only the name that you highlight. Let's play the video and see. So as you can see, I only highlight the text in the article. And that's it, guys. If this video helps out, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.